In this video, I'll talk about how you can find your Temu code. Now, if you want to invite your friends and receive referrals, what you can do is head over to Google Temu referral and join the affiliate program. Now, this is really easy. You just have to log into your account and you'll already have your codes. So the way that you can find them is simply scroll down and go to the referral section. And from in here, you should see your codes. So the general links will be your codes and deep link will be into the app downloads, but you just need the general code. So you can click on it to save it on this one. Click here and you'll save the code. Or another thing you can do is head to invite affiliate. In here, click on this big button. And in here, it will show you your code. Now, if you don't want to copy this whole text, you can just click copy link and it will copy your code right here. So how this works is you get money and you get you get the money when you invite someone and they need to do a certain set of rules. Sometimes it's they need to purchase an item. Sometimes it's they need to do something like here. You can up to 35 euros. That's about $40 if you invite someone with over 1,000 followers on social media. And you can also earn 2 if you invite any new affiliate who has earned a commission in our affiliate program. So that is basically how this works. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.